Hello, this is the practice video for multiplying decimals. When we multiply decimals, we multiply as we would any number, with the exception that we have to keep track of the decimal places in our factors. Okay, what we mean by factors are the numbers that are being multiplied together. So the factors in this problem are 12.4 and 0.3. So let me multiply, and I'm just going to ignore the decimal points for now. I'll go 4 times 3 is 12, carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And then 3 times 1 is 3. All right, and then 0 times any number is 0, so I didn't need to multiply the 0. Now let me count the places in the factors. There's 1 decimal place, 2 decimal places. Since there are 2 places in our factors, there needs to be 2 in the answer. So start your decimal point on the far right of your answer and move it 2 places over. The answer for this first example is 3.72. All right, so let's go ahead and set it up. 18.5 is being multiplied by 0.9. How many decimal places are in our factors? That's right, there are 2. 1, 2. Okay, so we have 2 in our factors. That means our answer must have 2 decimal places. Now let's multiply. 9 times 5 is 45. Carry the 4. 9 times 8 is 72. Plus 4 is 76. Carry the 7. 9 times 1 is 9. Plus 7 is 16. Start on the far right of the answer. Move your decimal point 2 places. The answer is 16.65. Number 3. Same as we've been doing. How many decimal places are in the factors? That's right, there are 4. There are 2 here and 2 there. So I have 4 places that need to be in my answer. Now let's multiply. 2 times 6 is 12, carry the 1. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. And then 2 times 1 is 2. Now 0 times any number is 0, so I don't need to multiply those. Now let's place our decimal point. Start at the far right. We're going to go 4 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what do I need to do for my answer? That's right, we need to add a 0 placeholder right there. So our answer is 0.0212. That's 212 10,000ths. How you doing? Okay, let's do one more. 3.25 multiplied by 0.9. Now notice how I set this one up. I'm more comfortable with the number that has more digits being on the top. And then I put 0.9 below that, even though 0.9 was listed first in the problem. That's just how I like to do it. All right, so let's count the places in our factors. How many places are there? That's right, there are 3. 2 in the first one, 1 in the second. So my answer needs to have 3 decimal places. Now let's multiply. 9 times 5 is 45. Carry the 4. 9 times 2, that's 18. Plus 4 is 22. Carry the 2. 9 times 3 is 27. Plus 2 is 29. Now let's place our decimal. Start at the far right. Go 3 places. Answer 2.925. Okay, here is our self-quiz. So I want you to pause your video, work out all of the problems, take your time, avoid silly mistakes, and then restart the video to check your answers. Welcome back from restarting the video. If you accidentally started and you're not done, pause the video again. All right, here are the answers to the self-quiz. If you have these answers correct, you are ready to show that you have mastered multiplying with decimals, and you can take that in class and redo your score to get that Bellwork quiz score up. All right, well, thank you for practicing, and remember, I'm going to read some books.